Do you ever feel like you're always out of money? No matter how much you earn? Like your salary comes in and then it's just gone. Yeah, that cycle can feel exhausting. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix being always out of money, step by step, in a realistic way. Step 1. Track every single expense for at least 30 days. And I mean everything. Rent, food, subscriptions, small snacks, delivery fees, all of it. Most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because money leaks in small, unnoticed places. After 30 days, review your spending. Look for patterns. Are you eating out too often? Paying for subscriptions you barely use? Spending impulsively online? Even small weekly habits can add up to hundreds over time. Now create a simple rule-based budget. You can use something like the 50-30-20 method. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. The key isn't perfection. It's control. Here's where most people mess up. They save what's left. Instead, pay yourself first. Automate a small amount into savings the same day you get paid. Even if it's small, consistency builds momentum. If your numbers truly don't work after budgeting, then yeah, income needs attention. That could mean asking for a raise, learning a higher-paying skill, freelancing, or starting a small side income stream. Cutting expenses helps, but increasing income changes the game. One big reason people always feel broke is emergencies. A car repair or medical bill wipes everything out. Start building a small emergency fund. Even 1 month of expenses gives breathing room. As your income increases, avoid upgrading your lifestyle too fast. When people earn more, they often spend more. Instead, increase your savings rate first. That's how you actually break the cycle long term. And finally, shift your mindset from spending what you earn to managing what you earn. Money discipline isn't about restriction. It's about freedom later. So fixing being always out of money isn't one big dramatic move. It's tracking, adjusting, automating, increasing income, and staying consistent. Start small, stay steady. And over time, yeah, you'll notice you're not scrambling at the end of every month anymore.
If you've worked hard to